Welcome, let's cook. The required ingredients. The benefits of Kandan Thippili and Arsi Thippili. Our main ingredients: Kandan Thippili, Arsi Thippili, red chili, black pepper, coriander seeds and tur dal for making our rasam. 2 tomatoes, fenugreek seeds, jeera and asafoetida powder, curry leaves, turmeric water mixed with turmeric powder. Heat a pan. Add half teaspoon of jeera. Dry roast well. Half teaspoon fenugreek seeds. Dry roast well. Tur dal 1 teaspoon, coriander seeds 1 teaspoon, black pepper seeds 1 teaspoon, 4 to 5 red chilies, roasted. Add 1 teaspoon of oil for roasting well. It's almost done. Kandan Thippili 10 grams and Arsi Thippili 5 grams. 1 teaspoon of oil. Roast it. These two are the main ingredients which will enhance the taste and flavor of the rasam. Now it's ready. Grind it into a fine, nice mixture. It's ready now. Take the pan. Now pour the tamarind water mixed with turmeric powder. Add 2 tomatoes. The required amount of salt. Few curry leaves for enhancing the taste. Mix well thoroughly. Let it boil for 10 to 15 minutes and cook well. Now it's time to add our powder. Add 2 teaspoons of the required powder. mix well and cook it for about 5 to 10 minutes. It's boiling. It's almost there. Now transfer it into a pot. Now for seasoning, heat the pan again. Add 1 teaspoon of ghee. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Let it crackle. Wait for a few seconds. Half teaspoon of asafoetida powder. Curry leaves. Roast well. Now the seasoning is ready and we will transfer it to the rasam. Wow, our Kandan Thippili Rasam is now ready. Serve it hot and enjoy. Thank you.